Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we looked at how to use substring to get portions of a string or print out characters in a string. In this tutorial, we're going to look at another string manipulation function that we can use. That's the split. So with a split, you can specify a particular character and then use it to generate an array for your string. And generally a string is like an array. So if, let's say, you provide an empty string like this, it will generate arrays, like it will convert the string into an array. So we will have, if we say 0 like this, it will just show us each. But if we leave it like this, it will just show us the array. So supposing you have a sentence and you want to get the word into an array, simply provide a space character over here in between the quotation marks, and it will give you the words individually in an array like this. Similarly, you can use different characters. So let's see if we provide T, what it does. So it removes the T. So it starts from here. The T here goes away as hi. The T here goes away as he. Subscribe goes away, and then we have the button. So that one too will go away, and then it will just show empty character over here, and then we'll have the on from the button. So this is another interesting string manipulation function that you can also experiment with, or it can help you writing good JavaScript or TypeScript code. So thanks for watching, and then keep rocking TypeScript and JavaScript. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.